doing? Today is February 11th. And it is 10:26 in the morning, and I just had some breakfast, took my morning pills, and today I decided to vlog because I'm doing something fun. I finished If I Stay. It took me 3 days, but I finished it. It took me 3 days listening on audiobook, but I finished it. And so today I want to go. I've been bitten by the I'm gonna put you up here. I've been bitten by the book bug, you could say, or whatever. So I want to go get the sequel to that, which is called Where She Went, because I hated this ending. I have so many more questions. But yeah, and then so I want to go get that book, but then I also want to get the book that Selena Gomez's new show is coming out about. It's called 13 Reasons Why. So I want to read that book before the Netflix series comes out. And then I want to watch the movie If I Stay, but I want to read both books first, so I can have like a clear thing, because I want to have a clear mind, because like sometimes the movies leave out books and books leave out movies and whatever. So but yeah, so that's what's happening. That's what's happening, and I'm also gonna take an Instagram right now, but I'm not gonna post that to Instagram until Monday, so behind the scenes. But yeah, so I'm watching a little old school Fry Life right now. Fry Life, whatever. But anyway, and then I'm going to lunch with my friends. So yeah, this should be fun. Come follow us along. Oops, sorry, meant to turn this off. Bye guys, have a good day now. What's that?
It's a replica of Juliari Hall in San Francisco. You'll be auditioning for Juilliard. That's the ceiling. I put it up there. Yeah, I figured. You know, if you look at it every night, it won't seem so scary when you get there.
I know, I love this movie too. Friends, Daniel, get off your phone. Friends joining the vlog today. Oh my god, so we're out to lunch, and I almost had an asthma attack walking in here because there's so much snow, so my chair didn't go over very well, and oh my goodness, this cold does not do good with my asthma at all. But we're gonna have some lunch. We're gonna have friendlies, and I'm excited because I'm hungry. Bye. And now we're on our way to go get some stuff from Barnes & Noble. Yay! morning. I'm here vlogging on my phone.
Hey,
Good
guys,
morning.
what?
How are you? Say hi, Nani.
Who's that?
Say hi.
Who is it?
I'm making a video.
Oh, for what?
For my YouTube.
For your who?
For my blog, my cerebral palsy blog. And it's snowing, and we just got out of church, and now we're at Cumberland Farms getting some coffee, and then we're gonna go over and get some food. So sorry for the lack of vlogging yesterday. I just wasn't really in a good mood, and I had a couple panic attacks this weekend, and yeah. And plus, I was arguing with somebody over. Coming down. Oh my God, we're getting more. Look at that. That's crazy. No, it's in the living room. It's in there.
In the living room?
In the TV room, yeah.
Oh, over there.
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
So have you liked hanging out with us?
What's that?
Have you liked hanging out with us?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. She's been here ever since the snow.
I've been here.
Yeah, ever since the snow a couple of days ago, yeah.
Well, hey, what are you gonna do?
You have a lot of good life stories. Any good life stories you want to tell?
Life stories?
Yeah.
What
From your
stories do I have?
from
I
your
don't have
nursing days, I don't know,
any.
anything?
What?
From your nursing days, I don't
oh,
know.
my God.
Anything?
No.
No. You guys, she was the best nurse.
Who?
You.
Who said that?
You were a good nurse.
Yeah, I was, but that was long, long ago. Long ago. I was surprised we didn't hear from Maureen today.
I know. They're busy.
Huh?
They're busy.
Everybody's busy. Yeah.
Yeah.
I set up your bed. Looks great.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, you made my bed, huh?
Huh?
Said you made my bed, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, that's good. Keep you warm.
I'm gonna mess it up and
but let me just ask you something.
Yes.
Why you don't have anything next to your window though?
No, you're the one that pulled that up.
I pulled it up.
Yes.
When?
I could have sworn you did like 2 weeks ago when you were here.
Oh God.
I don't know, because I don't touch that window.
Oh, okay. Well,
Maybe it wasn't you. I don't know.
I don't know. I don't think it was me because, you know, you can almost see in the other people's windows. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah. So anyway, I was going to ask your mother, but I said I better not. Guess she'll yell at me.
I know, she gets mad easily.
I know.
Yeah.
So.
Sorry for this lack of a vlog this weekend, but I really didn't do much. I've been really into reading lately, or not reading, but audiobooks. So I've been listening to a lot of those, and I didn't mean to end off yesterday's footage like so abruptly. It's just that someone and I were arguing about something stupid, and I just wasn't in the mood to kind of like fake a mood that wasn't there, you know? But yeah. Also, if you could please say a quick prayer for my friend Logan, because she's going through a tough time. And
I think it's great, but I still don't like it being without looking at it.
looking at what?
On that
Well, we'll fix it. I'll get my dad to pull it back down.
yeah. And like I said, for me, I like to make sure it's covered. You know what I mean?
I know. Well,
Yeah, but-
also, we don't live in a creepy neighborhood, though.
Yeah, well, I realize that.
Trying to get my computer working and get some editing done.
This is hanging around
Yeah,
here.
no, it's good. It's good.
Okay.
I only need that little piece.
Oh, you do, huh?
Yeah.
Oh. You want to get this out of the way?
Huh? Sure. It's empty, but
Okay. There you go. Oh, nothing. dum, 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 dum.
So what do you think is in there? Like a ghost or something?
Where?
In the other room.
No, nothing. I get nervous because they might start. I don't want to start a fire. That's all.
Oh, well,
That's
you don't want a robber to come in then.
oh that wouldn't bother me. I punch him in the nose,
Oh, really?
kick him in the behind.
Oh, really?
Yes, that wouldn't be that. No.
Yeah.
Yeah. What does that thing say?
What?
That you're just doing?
Oh, it's my camera. See?
It's a camera?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Super productive. I have edited 3 videos so far. I have this, What Faith Means to Me. That one's going up Friday with this thumbnail up here. And then I have Standing a Little Taller. That's going up tomorrow morning. I'm gonna upload that at school with this thumbnail. And then this thumbnail, I'm gonna click on it for you. This thumbnail is for the vlog you're watching right now, and this one is gonna go up on Wednesday. So I'm going to try to upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but if not, then I will just be uploading Monday and Wednesday. And you know, listen, sorry that this isn't working, but I had to this looks disgusting, but I had to add my own overlay because iMovie does this thing, or not iMovie, but PicMonkey does this thing where you can't even save a project anymore without paying for it. So if any of you know a website that I can make thumbnails on anymore that's free, because PicMonkey is starting not to be free anymore, so I have to do some research because I don't make enough on YouTube yet. I haven't even gotten my first check, so I can't pay for thumbnails. So yeah, let me know. Bye guys, gotta go charge this battery because it's flashing. Being a daily vlogger, you go through a lot of batteries, and luckily I have 3 that I keep charged, but 2 of them seem to have died, so let's put them into charge. And so I have a little charging station. Yay! And then I have my backpack over there with all my other stuff in it. But these are the mostly things that I use, so it's a little power strip. But then it's kind of annoying because I can't charge my phone while I charge the batteries because there's not enough room. But do what you gotta do for the vlog. Hi, Nani. Who are you looking for?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, who are you looking for?
Nobody.
Oh.
I was looking for your daughter. I mean,
My sister. They're outside shoveling snow.
where?
That's his car. They wouldn't have left without his car. Yeah, we got like 20 inches of snow this weekend. So yeah. Now, and I just realized that I never ended the vlog last night, and I'm sorry. But hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow.